She said yes. Well, 70 years ago. 20 years ago. What did they do? She said we went to Aba to record the program. Her bag flew off and I drove on and bought her a more expensive guitar. But that's a cheap guitar. A native doctor can pick it and use it to harm her. And she had been grieving over that cheap guitar for 20 years. I shouted. Not only in this negative light, every woman you know has an elephant memory. Take a wife to Papa de Mallorca, the best island in the whole world. Bring her back the 5 years after. She'll take you from the airport to the hotel where you were. If you are going to visa office, carry your wife along. When I ask you the day your first child was born, you don't remember. And I'm not even anymore. It was just your family real. That is arrant nonsense. Why you want to go home and coach? Why you want? You know why? Don't beat your wife. By beating her, you're telling God her profile adds to nothing. That she's nobody. It's not true. She's somebody. To God, she's precious. You know what that's what they get from the pulpit. But they have to about what you do in the absence of the crowd. Let's read on. There's something frightening when we read now. God said to Eli, what? Read on from where it starts.
Verse 31. Behold, the days come, that I will cut off thine arm.
What does that mean? For God, when God said to cut off the arm of your family, what is saying, the rich man in your family shall become hopelessly afflicted and sweeping the poor. You might not want to pay.